I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Yo, hi. It's Wednesday night. I've got my pork loin going. I got a handsome boy right here. I got a handsome boy down there. So it's not even 7 o'clock. But I'm going to bed. I took a little melatonin to make sure I go to bed. I got my goo in my eye. And then I took a couple Tylenol. I was about, when I woke up, I was about 75%. I've been about 60% since about 3 o'clock. But I plunged through, and here I am. So today's video, we got a work party. You know, I have to watch what I do. You know, I'll try to get some pictures of the food. It's going to be a pretty big spread. I told y'all yesterday I'm taking a pork loin. That's in the crock pot right now on low. And I don't know what he's doing to my hand. Where are you? Oh. Anyway, so that's going to, it started off frozen. It's been about 2 hours, and it's enough that it went... So it's down in the crock pot better. So I'm taking that. I told y'all I picked up some veggies, a veggie tray, and some extra veggies. I did that so then that way, you know, while all the other stuff's around, like one of the girls talking about bringing a ranch ball. Well, I could dip some veggies in the ranch ball, and one lady's bringing sliders. Well, I don't want sliders, so I'm just trying to bring some things that'll help me. You know, so I can have bites of other things, but I can still come back to my veggies. So, but I'm so full. I'm so full. I drank my, this is what I've been doing. I told y'all last night too, but I drink my, dude, what? You better just get it together. I said you better get it together, boy. He says I got it together. Just messing with my hand. Anyway, oh yeah, so I make my keto chow, and I put it, you know, drink it warm. Well, then I drink it about halfway and add more water, and then I drink it, tonight I drink it halfway down again and add more water. So I am so full, but it's not more calories, it's just more liquid. So anyway, I'm kind of snotty tonight, so I am going to bed. I love you people. And I'll show you what I eat tomorrow. Bye. Are you satisfied yet? Are you comfy? How about that? Let me put you. What you doing down there, big boy? Well, sister's in the living room. She got tired of our shenanigans, so she left us. And the little boy's down there. They kind of take turns. Sometimes I wake up and he'll be up here. This one will be here. And sometimes I wake up and Baxter will be up here. Sometimes Samuel crawl in over here on this side of me. I kind of never know. What are you doing? I kind of never know who's going to do what. I just wake up and, oh, okay, that's what we're doing right now. And close my eyes and go back to sleep. And later on wake up, oh, so that's what we're doing right now. I just never really know. It's just all a surprise. All right. Anyway, I love y'all. And yeah, it's not even 7 o'clock, or it's right at 7, and I'm going to bed. So, you know what this means. You know, he's got high hopes. He's got high hopes. He's got pie in the sky. He is so presumptuous. He knows. All he has to do is show it, and that's it. So right now, like, I'm going to turn you all off, and I'm going to curl over. I'm going to rub his racing stripe. You see that racing stripe right here? Right there? It's that white racing stripe. That's why he runs so fast. He can chase the bad guys because he's got a racing stripe. Okay, bye. Y'all want to know why we get so sick around here? Why I'm sick all the time? Last week, beginning of this week, I started my car and it was 8 degrees, 10 degrees, 12 degrees. You know what it is today? 53. 53 degrees. And they just said on the radio it's supposed to be warmer next week for Christmas. So, yeah, it's no wonder I'm sick all the time because our temperature and our weather around here can't make up its mind. Did I tell you I Googled why? And they said we have such weird weather. And it said that the warm air goes up the Mississippi River and hits this area. So, I don't know. That's what ChatGPT told me one time. On top of the fact that we're on the bend of it. And so anyway, whatever. But yeah, so 53 today, or right now, and it's 7:15 in the morning, 7:20 in the morning. Yeah, so it's no wonder I'm sick all the time. And it's rainy. So, yeah. Anyway, so thank the good Lord for the shot, but I may have to go in next week for another one. Anyway, so today is our little party. I don't know what all I talked to y'all about last night. So whatever, hopefully it was appropriate. I never know what I say when I say it. But yeah, so I will, like I said, I'll try to show you the food. Not like the building and the rooms and stuff, but I'll try to show you the food. So, okay, bye. It's only 10:30, but I got some pulled pork and some cheese ball and some chili. Yes, that's what I got. And I'm gonna put in a couple. We're not ready yet. They're still working on the baked potatoes, but your girl's gonna starve to death, so I can't help it. That's a veggie tray I brought.
And my other brown bag.
I'll show you everything when it's done. Shh, it's our secret. It's still got 15 minutes till everything's ready, but I don't care. I got some chili, not a lot of beans, and then some of my pulled pork and some ranch cheese ball. Yeah, shh. I'm going to show you what I'm eating, but I ain't going to eat right today. Okay, bye. Broccoli cheddar, we got chili, we got pulled pork, we've got taco soup, we've got some veggies and chips, have some sliders and some some Brussels sprouts and a cheese ball and desserts and a lava cake, crockpot cake. Shut up, no judgment. Jelly, pulled pork chili, pulled pork, and some no sugar added barbecue sauce. That is some taco chili, some broccoli cheddar chili, and a little chunk of homemade sourdough bread. I got a baked potato, very loaded, veggies, and cheese ball. So that, just shut it. Yep, yes I did. Okay, bye. It's kind of rainy, but I'm hot inside. I'll let you look at the grass. Anyway, y'all know I ate way too much. And I ate so much, I even had more than what I showed y'all. Just know that, I probably shouldn't eat for a week. If I was smart, on my drive home, I'd run by Walmart and just buy a ribeye. That's what I would do if I was smart. I ain't never said I'm smart. We'll see what I feel like, but if I was smart, that's what I do. I just go buy a ribeye, start my night over with scratch. But I gave my the leftover veggies to somebody, and also what else am I doing? And I did take one baked potato. Yes, I took a baked potato. So I'm going to have baked potato, and I brought my pork steak and my leftover Sweet Baby Ray's. Ooh, doggies. It was good, but I'm full as a tick. But you know me, I want more. But anyway, I won't. So, okay. I'll see y'all later. We did a craft today at work. It's a Rudolph. It's reindeer. That's the antlers. I don't have my needle to make it finish, so I just I did it Terri way. But look, ain't that fun? We had a craft. It was macrame. Go Terri, go Terri. I'm gonna leave it at work though. Yeah, so we had our Christmas party. I ate too much. Y'all know I ate too much. I even brought home a baked potato. I said if I knew what was the best for me, I would go by Walmart and buy a ribeye. I ain't going to. But I'm just saying. Because I'm going to eat a baked potato tonight. Yes. Yes, I am. And tomorrow, we're back on it. So just calm your you know what? We'll be back at it tomorrow. Funny thing is, this morning, told y'all, I don't know if it's Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day, I was 174. So I was up, from the steroid. And then this morning I was 171. So I was like, all right, working off that steroid. Then I put a whole bunch of fluid back on. But anyway, it's all right. So yeah, I'm taking that baked potato home. What else do I know? We had fun. We had games. We had a craft, and yeah, so it was a really good, fun Christmas party. And so now I'm headed home. I'm gonna call Judith. So I'm gonna let you people go. Like I said, I'm about 85% now. I did a whole bunch of coughing up some stuff from my lungs this morning, and that really kind of helped a lot. And I talked to shut up. I'm telling you, there's a lot to Chat GPT. I have me it was helping me set up a system for my sinus issues, and kind of like a protocol for as soon as I notice an increase in drainage. Because I was like, is it possible to not even have to have the sinus infections? And it said, yeah, so I have to follow these steps within 24 hours of noticing the drainage is increased or thicker. So we'll see. Anyway, all right. Love y'all. Bye. Well, I done made it home. I'm alive. Just this much alive. So what am I having? Something I shouldn't have. I brought home one of them baked potatoes. And I cooked up some ground beef. Well, I had ground beef. I heated up. And then I made this kind of like a pot roast. I took my ground beef and I kind of heated it up in the skillet. And I took that baked potato and chopped it into bite-sized pieces. You done already know this wasn't a good decision. But it's delicious, and it's a decision I made. Interestingly enough, even though I had all the sugar, I was impulsive. And ate all the things I shouldn't. It's whatever. This is Edam, EDAM cheese. Today's the 18th. Did I tell y'all no pool league tonight? Yeah, there's no way I can make it to pool league. I couldn't stay up past 8 o'clock last night. Ain't no way I could do it tonight. I've been seeing Lori FNM Lifestyle. She does these little Advent cheeses too. They come from Aldi. There's other kinds like puzzles and pets, dog and kitty ones. I did the coffee last year. It was okay. They didn't very strong flavor. I don't have my Keurig. Well, I don't keep my Keurig up here anymore since I use instant, so I didn't buy it. I have enjoyed the cheese one. The candle's nice, but like I said, it's just not very strong. But I tell you, I will recommend the cheese to anybody and everybody. This right here is keto chow. I don't know what flavor. I made it up last night. Heated up. What I did last night is I sipped around on it while I ate. And then when I got done eating, I migrated to the bedroom and I topped it off with hot water. So anyway, all right, well, that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. I am feeling better, so tomorrow's going to be an even better day. Bye.